Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to add Tapo Smart Plug to Google Home app. So let's check it out. Google or Google TV might change the user interface of the settings in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We already published a video about connecting this Tapo Smart Plug to the TP-Link Tapo mobile app. We will share that link in the description along with the product link. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. To do this, we have to keep our Google Home app and the Tapo Smart Plug ready. We can connect this to a power source if we want to check. We can open the Google Home app, select the required Google account here, then go to Home and at the top select the plus symbol. Here we have to select Link App or Service. Accounts and apps which works with Google devices, we can select this. Our Tapo Smart Plug is compatible with Google Home, so we can select this. Then we can select Works with Google. Here we can search for Tapo. Select this. So now we are going to link our Tapo account to the Google Home app. So we can select Continue. We can select Agree and Continue. Now here we have to log in using our current Tapo account, or we can create a new one and link here. Confirm all the details and select Link. Linking your Tapo account. That's all. We can see our smart plug here. We can select this to assign to a room, or we can select Done. That's all. Now we can go back and go to all devices and we can see our Tapo Smart Plug here. So this is our Tapo Smart Plug model P116M. We can select this and this will become green, and if we select again, it will go away. Now we connected our Tapo Smart Plug to our label printer. We are going to charge this. So let's open Google Home, go to all devices, and if we select our Tapo Smart Plug, it will start to charge. We can see the green light here and it is charging now. And suppose if you want to stop this, we can select this again. That's all. We can long press this and we will get like this, and we can select this 3-dot menu to get some extra information about our smart plug. We also get the option to unlink Tapo here. We can also go to this plus symbol, Link App or Service, works with Google. We can select our Tapo device and we can reconnect the account or unlink the account here. These are the steps to add Tapo Smart Plug to Google Home. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.